So yes, Sridhar, how are you feeling today?
Very proud, ma'am, and very grateful to the universe and my school for giving me this prize and recognizing, supporting me for to get this result because it was never possible alone. It was always the school support, the teachers' support.
What or who inspired you the most in your journey?
I would say, ma'am, my teachers as well as my parents, my mother, because the sacrifices they have done for me is something that I wanted to repay with my scores. What they expected from me, I wanted to give them that, and I never wanted to hurt their expectations. So I would say my parents and my teachers.
Sridhar, we know you as a dancer.
Yes,
How has
ma'am.
the school shaped your journey of dance?
First of all, ma'am, I would say the exposure they have given me, sending me to different dance competitions to represent the school. Also, I used to participate in all the events and all the inaugural dances, the final dances, all the concerts. It has shaped me a lot. Plus, national dance competitions, school dance competitions. With everything, I am a dancer today.
And what advice would you like to give to your juniors?
To my juniors, I would like to say that whenever you feel that something you're not understanding or you have a doubt in something, never hesitate. Like in class, I used to never hesitate. Some people have that fear that if I ask this doubt, maybe my classmates will think I'm dumb or I don't know this, but your teachers always support you. Even I would do that. If I don't understand something in class, I would go and ask my teachers. Even one day before boards, I used to message my teachers and they would support you. And is at modern school, teachers support you even the night before your board exam. So never keep your doubts to yourself, always resolve them, because maybe the doubt you're having comes in the question paper. That happened with me.
Your future aspirations?
I want to become a doctor and now I'm going to pursue NEET. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Sridhar. All
Thank
the
you,
best for your
ma'am.
future.
I am Sarthak Banbak, a student of this modern school family. I am here from my childhood and I'm enjoying my studies.
So what is the achievement that you're most proud of?
The coordination with teachers, I learned many things. I was like nothing, and now I am very much with respect to that stage. So teachers taught me how to be loyal, be respectful, honest. So all these qualities have made me that Sarthak to this Sarthak.
Sarthak, the school captain, right?
Yes.
Yes. Who inspired you most in your journey?
All my teachers were so great and so experienced. They were just wow.
Okay. So how has modern school helped you shape yourself?
The values modern school taught me, it gave me shape to everything. All my studies, my academic studies, my all round development.
खुशबू श्रीवास्तव
Khushbu Srivastava from standard
12th
12. So Khushbu, how long have you been with modern school?
from 2 years 11th and 12th.
What brought you to modern school?
Basically the I had heard about their guidance, their support, so that encouraged me to get admission in the modern school.
Okay. So, and what achievement are you most proud of? Of course, congratulations for your
Yes,
achievement.
I'm very happy to get this award for doing a top in the commerce stream and getting a 95 marks in economics, accountancy and business studies.
Wow, that's an amazing feat. So, who inspired you most in your journey?
My parents and my sister, she has also been a topper in the commerce stream too. And so basically, seeing them doing such a hard work and getting so much achievement in their life inspired me to be like them.
So, what role did modern school play in your shaping your career?
The modern school helped me a lot in my academic journey. Their full support, their guidance in each and everything, the teachers, they helped me a lot in this my journey.
Your hard work and teachers.
Yes.
Very good. What advice would you like to give to your juniors?
I would say that always listen to your teachers, their guidance, they help us a lot. And yes, your hard work plays an important role. Unless and until you study, do your own study, you can't achieve anything. So yes, do your hard work. And yes, most important role, the God that plays in our life. The God should be with us so that we can achieve anything in their life.
And what are your future aspirations?
I want to become a chartered accountant. So yes.
All the best for your future.
Thank you,
achievements.
ma'am. Thank
you
you.
so much.
My name is Nimish Shrikant Phule from Standard 12B, and I recommend all the students who are not a part of Modern Family right now to become a part of Modern Family, and you will not regret it, your decision. I'm feeling very grateful to Modern School for this felicitation, and I'm one of the luckiest children who has completed his entire educational journey from Modern School, right from the first standard to 12th standard. So I'm really grateful to Modern School.
What achievement are you most proud of in your month's journey?
Most proud of completing my entire educational journey from one school without changing. So I don't have to lose my friends.
So, how has modern helped you in success?
In every way, in every possible way, from teachers' support to extracurricular activities. I have served as house captain, house vice captain, interact club member. So all the opportunities they have given to me.
Hello, my name is Hitesh Rajesh Paswani. I've been studying in modern school from Jingle Bells facility, and while completing my 12 years here, it was a really special. It was a really special part of my life that you have such great teachers, and each and every teacher was really supportive. Events the school conducts, the activities every Saturday. I remember that till fifth class we had activities till fifth standard. So they contribute so much to your development. You discover your creative side, that what are you capable of. Every activity enriches you.